Hey guys, Michael and Damien from STEMpunks here again. We're going to give you an overview of our Teacher PD program in 3D design and 3D printing.
Yeah, we'll also go over on how this should be set up in the classroom, in terms of also if you're having these printed, how it can work with a teacher printing these, and also how the tablets, PCs should work. So it's a big classroom setup, it's pretty easy.
Yep. Yeah. And CAD design, which is computer aided design, can be quite a daunting concept to understand, but we're trying to make this really easy for you guys to understand by step-by-step video instructions.
Yep, with heaps of FAQs at the bottom.
Definitely, and we're going to use a program for this Teacher PD class that's called Tinkercad. It's a great program to understand CAD design and get into all about 3D modeling.
Yep, and also how it links into the curriculum.
That's right, so really important. And just as a final note too, for you guys who've got 3D printers around, we're going to cover a bit around how 3D printers work and a bit of best practice around setting this up in the classroom and how to purchase these things. So come along, join us for our Teacher PD program in 3D design and 3D printing. See you soon.